Hello guys, and welcome back. This is another very nice project, very easy to use. In literally 5 minutes you can start making gains, money. This is obviously in testnet still, but looking at what happened with grass nodes, where the airdrop was really nice, really unexpected amount, and for doing absolutely nothing. This is similar. I already also mentioned to you the gradient network as well, which is also running in the background, doing its thing. You don't have to do anything else. And now we've got the Bless network, the world's first shared computer. Very similar story. You just install, add it to your browser, Chrome or Brave or something, and that's it. You literally have to do nothing else. Try to run the computer as long as possible, but it's very simple to use, very easy. There is nothing much to it. It's got some nice backing. It should be doing well, it should be popular. So the earlier you start, the more points you get, the more you get into it. It's obviously the better for getting a nicer airdrop. So all you have to do here on the main website, I'll put the link, you install the Chrome extension, add it to your Brave. You've got it here. Everything is nice and easy. Once you do it, you literally have it like that in the corner. You can click on the 3 dots on top and go to your dashboard, which will give you everything nice and clear. I already run it for about 10 days, got some points like that, and that's it. It doesn't affect my PC speed or any of these things, so you have to obviously see how it works on yours, but for mine it's really simple. You've got the referrals as well. I'll put the link down below if you want to use it. Thank you in advance, but you can also share it with other people. It's absolutely free, and I'm not sure when it's gonna be launched, the coin and everything, but probably a couple months they're gonna run it like that, gathering points, and then obviously they're gonna do the token generation event and the airdrop. So very simple. Click the link, install extension, let it run, check it from time to time if it's working fine. No issues here. Go to dashboard, check it as well, and if everything is connected. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.